The world of high-resolution cameras has been relatively stable for a while, dominated by a select few models that push the boundaries of detail and image quality. But now, things appear to be shifting. A new contender is rumored to be on the horizon, and it's not just another incremental upgrade. The upcoming Nikon Z7 III is being talked about as a bold step forward, a camera that doesn't simply refine what came before but aims to redefine what a high-resolution hybrid camera can be. Rather than taking the safe route with minor tweaks, Nikon seems to be rethinking the entire concept of its Z7 line. The Mark II was seen as a polished evolution, but the Mark III is shaping up to be something far more ambitious. It's designed to sit at the intersection of photography and filmmaking, offering a tool that feels equally at home in a studio, out in the wild, or on a film set. This isn't just about adding features. It's about creating a cohesive system that adapts to a creator's full range of needs. At the core of all the excitement is the sensor. Rumors suggest a resolution somewhere between 61 and 67 megapixels, placing it firmly among the elite in the high-resolution category. That kind of detail opens doors for photographers who demand precision, whether they're capturing sweeping landscapes, intricate architectural designs, or high-end commercial work. Every texture, every subtle gradient, every fine line has the potential to be rendered with remarkable clarity. But resolution alone doesn't tell the full story. What makes this sensor especially compelling is how it's paired with advanced processing power and intelligent autofocus systems. The inclusion of a new generation processor, combined with AI-driven subject detection, is expected to dramatically improve how the camera understands and tracks subjects. This is particularly important for situations that were once challenging, like photographing fast-moving wildlife or athletes in unpredictable motion. Instead of struggling to maintain focus, the system is rumored to lock on with confidence, adapting in real time to changing scenes. Even complex environments with distracting backgrounds are less likely to confuse the autofocus, making it more reliable in high-pressure situations. While the Z7 series has traditionally been associated with still photography, this new iteration is clearly expanding its identity. Video capabilities are expected to take a significant leap forward, with support for 8K recording at 30 frames per second. That alone elevates the camera into a different league, but it doesn't stop there. Internal 10-bit RAW recording is also rumored, giving filmmakers the flexibility to push their footage in post-production without losing quality. This level of control was once reserved for more specialized cinema equipment, so having it integrated into a hybrid camera could be a game changer. Another important aspect is the ability to record 4K footage without cropping the sensor, even at higher frame rates like 60 frames per second. This ensures that wide-angle compositions remain intact, which is especially valuable for creators who rely on spatial storytelling or cinematic framing. The combination of high-resolution and flexible video options means that users can switch between stills and motion without feeling like they're compromising in either direction. Handling and usability are also receiving attention. A redesigned tilting screen, inspired by higher-end models, is expected to provide greater flexibility when shooting from unconventional angles. Whether you're working close to the ground, above your head, or in tight studio conditions, the screen adapts to your needs without feeling fragile or awkward. This might seem like a small detail, but in real-world use, it can make a significant difference in how fluid and intuitive the shooting experience feels. Storage options are another area where practicality meets performance. The camera is rumored to include both dual SD card slots and a CF Express Type B slot. This hybrid approach balances speed and affordability, allowing users to manage large files efficiently while still having flexible backup options. For professionals, this kind of redundancy is crucial, especially during important shoots where data loss simply isn't an option. Autofocus improvements go beyond just speed. There's talk of smoother tracking and more consistent performance, addressing some of the minor frustrations users experienced with earlier models. Eye and face detection are expected to be sharper and more responsive, maintaining focus even when subjects move unpredictably or briefly leave the frame. This kind of reliability can be the difference between capturing a decisive moment and missing it entirely. Image quality, of course, remains at the heart of the experience. The sensor design is said to incorporate backside illumination and optimize circuitry, allowing it to gather more light and produce richer files. This translates into better dynamic range, improved low-light performance, and more nuanced color reproduction. Shadows retain detail without becoming muddy, highlights are preserved without harsh clipping, and the overall image feels balanced and natural. For photographers who value post-processing flexibility, this kind of data-rich output is invaluable. Durability and battery life haven't been overlooked either. Mirrorless cameras have often been criticized for their shorter battery performance, but the Z7 Mark III is expected to push back against that limitation. Longer shooting sessions with fewer interruptions would make it more dependable for events, travel, and extended outdoor work. Combined with a robust magnesium alloy body and weather sealing, the camera appears designed to handle demanding environments without hesitation. For filmmakers, the feature set extends beyond resolution and codecs. Tools like focus peaking, slow motion recording, and advanced exposure controls are expected to be part of the package, making it easier to achieve professional-looking results without additional gear. The goal seems to be simplicity, without sacrificing capability, allowing creators to focus on storytelling rather than technical limitations. Workflow considerations also play a role in the overall design. Customizable menus, quick access controls, and seamless integration with tethering systems suggest a camera built with real-world usage in mind. Whether you're working in a studio with immediate client feedback or shooting on location with limited time, these features help streamline the process and reduce friction. What makes all of this particularly interesting is how it comes together as a unified experience. The Z7 Mark III isn't just a collection of impressive specifications. It's an attempt to create a tool that feels complete. It bridges gaps that previously required multiple devices, offering a single solution for high-resolution photography and advanced video production. For many creators, that kind of versatility could simplify their workflow and expand their creative possibilities. As these rumors continue to circulate, one question naturally arises. Is this level of power more than most people need? Or is it exactly what modern creators have been waiting for? The answer likely depends on how individuals approach their craft. For some, it might be overkill. For others, it could be the perfect balance of performance, flexibility, and reliability. Either way, the anticipation surrounding this camera highlights a broader shift in the industry. Creators are no longer content with tools that excel in only one area. They want systems that can adapt, evolve, and keep up with their ambitions. If the Z7 Mark III delivers on even a portion of these expectations, it could mark a significant moment in the evolution of hybrid cameras, setting a new standard for what a single device can achieve.